Hi kids! Come and join me to sing the ABC song. Are you ready and excited to sing the ABC song? Okay, let's begin! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay! Okay, now let me introduce to you the alphabet sounds. Let's start. A, apple. B, B, ball. C, car. D, dog. Letter E, elephant. Letter F, frog. Letter G, goat. Letter H, heart. Letter I, ink. Letter J, jar. And letter K, kangaroo. Letter L, leaf. Letter M, monkey. And letter N, net. Letter O, orange. Letter P, pig. Letter Q, queen. Letter R, rat. Letter S, sun. Letter T, tiger. Letter U, umbrella. Under. Letter V, van. Letter W, watch. Letter X, X-ray. Letter Y, yo-yo. Letter Z, the last one, zebra. Okay, very good. Now, you learn the alphabets and the alphabet sound. Just give yourself 5 clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a great day.